Good day, BSBA students. I am showing you the syllabus for our subject, and as you can see, we are now finished on the prelim exam, which is a presentation of problem statement, which is 2 hours. You are seeing right now the highlighted terms or words in green, and these are the topics for the midterm. As you can see, we have 1 and 2 topics for the midterm, and that is number 1, identify the needs of the user community, and number 2, present your persona. So as you can see, after these 2 topics, the next activity is the midterm exam, which is a presentation of your persona. So meaning to say, guys, that for the entire midterm period, the topic is only about persona. As you can see at the right corner, you see here 2 hours is only allotted for the lecture. I'm going to lecture you on the persona, how to create your persona, identify the needs of the user and community. Actually, guys, I have made the presentation, or presentation was already done in the last video I created, but I will repeat it to make things clearer. Now, 22 hours is allotted for laboratories, meaning to say, you will work on your project, which is your persona, for 22 hours. If you have questions while making your persona, you may send the questions in the group chat. Do not send me private messages, please. Okay? So, I will now show you the persona. So, as you can see, this step 5, the creation of persona, is already discussed to you last time. So to recall, a persona is a profile which will serve as a reference and inspiration throughout the solution development. It represents the community or the users you are working with. So you are done with the interview with your users or the members of the community. I hope many of you interviewed users which are or who are members of your family only. Since it's pandemic, it's important for you to be safe, and of course safety is always the most important thing to consider, and I am okay if your users are just your family members, and the problems you are going to solve are family members problems only. Personas are more than just demographic information. When we say demographic information, your the name, the birthday, the age, the address, the gender, the what else? The height, the weight. They are personas are more than just that or those. A persona needs to capture the person's behavior. You have to consider the behavior, the beliefs, motivations, and pain points. When we say behavior, is this persona, or are these personas strong, or are they shy? Are they weak? Are they opinionated? Are they strong? Those are behavior. What are their beliefs? Do they believe that after struggles, a particular after struggles there are achievements, or do they believe that it's like after a storm there is a rainbow? Do they believe that God is helping them overcome their problems? Motivations. What are their particular motivations? For example, are their children their motivations to work hard to fulfill their dreams? Are their families their motivation, or their motivation is poverty itself, that they want to overcome poverty and to be a better version of themselves? Pain points. Where do their pains, or where does the pain come from? Does it come from their past experiences? Does it come from relatives who belittle them? Or does it come from the family members themselves? Their family members who belittle them. You know what I mean? When they think of you as just a small person, that you do not have this opportunity to be rich or to be successful someday. So where do their pain points come from? Next, this will be the template that you will be showing me for the midterm period. Ito lang yun. Ito lang yung ipapakita nyo sa akin. Okay? But you, of course, you need to attach video, any evidences that will show that you really conducted an interview and the statements or the answers in this sample persona template come from that interview. Okay? Persona name, what are their motivation? I have mentioned examples a while back. Quote, it's like a inspirational quote, defining quote. There is a rainbow after the rain. It's like that, a quote. Then demographic profile, we have age, gender, and job. If your persona is actually a community which consists of a lot of members, you define all the job. And of course, the gender. When we say gender, guys, it's not only male and female because that is sex. You are biologically male or biologically female. When we say gender, we have the male, female. We have the gay, lesbian, the bisexuals, and other gender. Social family lifestyle. When we say social family lifestyle, what are example of lifestyle? When we say family lifestyle, guys, it refers to the way that families live and coexist together on a daily basis and the habits and the patterns that these people have as individuals as part of the family unit. You have to define the way that these families live. Okay? Do they eat together? Just define based on the interview how do this family or families live on a daily basis. Okay, what are their habits, likes and dislikes, challenges, pain points? I have mentioned examples a while back. Top 3 needs. Example of top 3 needs: food, water, and shelter. When we say deep need statement, these are the statement that will tell you, that will speak of the things that they need the most. Okay, deep need statement. That is the statement that discusses the things that they need the most. So, for 22 hours, this is what you are going to accomplish. Okay? So, according to this, you have to create your own persona based on the information and data you gathered. And you may use the template as your reference. You are going to present the persona to the class via the prescribed video conferencing platform. What is the rubric? The rubric is timeliness and completeness based on the video. Of course, you have to make sure that your answers are based on the videos. Okay, guys? So I hope you will do what is asked of you to do. So that's all for the midterm. I hope you will do your task and you will participate.